What's up, everyone? Zappa TV here with 3Ps. Today we'll be doing unboxing of Pop Dragon Ball Z on Vegeta. Bruh. I really don't know what to say in this video, but So you guys might know him from Dragon Ball Z. Vegeta, my favorite guy. It's over 9,000! So this is the box. I'm gonna show you guys around. These are all the guys. Last video we opened Goku, Super. And yeah, let's get opening this Vegeta over 9,000, man. Let's do it. Oh! Vegeta! He's good. So this is Vegeta, the best man. So my favorite. Nice hair. Look at that, sick. Scary. I'll show him around for you guys. Ooh. So yeah, that was the video for Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z. So like and subscribe and peace.